Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Pike predators actually use minnow pheromones to locate their prey in the water, so let's quickly find the best follow-up question to guide our next scientific investigation. The initial experiment clearly demonstrated that pike can detect and orient themselves toward the specific pheromones released by damaged minnow skin cells. This behavior shows a direct response to chemical signals. A logical follow-up investigation should focus on the biological mechanism behind this detection. We need to understand how the pike actually sense these chemicals to find their prey so effectively. Option A directly addresses this by asking how pike determine the pheromone is present. This is the perfect scientific question to move our research forward. That makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid the rush. Always trust the given data and check your steps.